Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to cook easy and delicious vegetable biryani. We will prepare biryani at home with Shan Biryani Masala mix and attain a salivating aroma and taste. So watch the video for step-by-step guidance. Ingredients: vegetables, 100 grams, carrot 100 grams, cubes, peas 100 grams, and cauliflower 100 grams, cubes, rice, BASMATI 3½ cups, 750 grams, washed and soaked for 20 minutes. Onion 2 medium, 250 grams finely sliced tomato 3 medium, or 250 grams. Diced green chili, 6 to 8 pieces. Garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Ginger 2 tablespoons. Paste. Yogurt 1 1/4 cup. 250 grams whipped, plain. Fresh coriander, 1 1/2 cup chopped mint leaves. 1 1/2 cup chopped cooking oil 3/4 to 1 cup. Shan Vegetable Biryani Masala. One cup cooking oil and fry 3 medium annealy sliced onions until golden. Add medium diced tomatoes and fry until oil separates. Add 2 tablespoons garlic paste, 2 tablespoons ginger paste, one packet Shan Vegetable Biryani mix. Mix vegetables: 100 grams carrot cubes, 100 grams peas, 100 grams cauliflower cubes. Stir fry for 10 minutes. Add water as required. Cover and cook on low heat until vegetables are soft. 2. Add 6 to 8 pieces of green chili, and then increase heat and stir fry until oil separates from gravy. 3. Separately, in 15 cups, 3 liters of boiling water, stir in 3 tablespoons of Shan salt and 3½ cup, 750 grams, NC, washed and soaked for 20 minutes. Boil nice until percent cooked. Remove and drain thoroughly. 4th, spread half NC in pot and pour vegetables curry top with remaining rice. Spread L cup chopped fresh coriander and 1/2 cup chopped mini leaves on the nice. Cover and cook on low heat until NC is tender, about 10 minutes. Mix before serving. Thanks for watching.